We're here at the Mornington Peninsula Motorcycle Club testing the new 2021 model Kawasaki KX450, a bike relatively unchanged. I'm not going to say totally unchanged, relatively unchanged, because there's a couple of little things that have been up-spec'd for the new model. They've made a couple of changes to the clutch. Looking forward to seeing how that works out there on the track. I'm being told that they haven't changed the front brake lever, but I'm telling you it's a heck of a lot skinnier than the older model. Other than that, not much in the way of changes. We're about to put this thing through its paces out there on the track and see how it performs. If it's anything like the 2020 model, like I'm sure it will be, it's a very, very nice bike. Let's see how she goes. We just got to put it through its paces out here on the track. Performs exceptionally well, does the new Kawasaki machine, as I suspected that it would. No major changes. To be honest, I couldn't feel any difference in the clutch and the changes that were made internally. However, I think it's more to do with the durability and lasting a little bit longer. Clutch works fantastic and no problems whatsoever. The main thing you notice with this bike, as I did with the 2020 model, is it doesn't do anything wrong at all. You don't go, oh, I need to fix that straight away. Its main strong point is its torque and its bottom end. Right off the bottom, it comes on like a steam train. So it's the perfect motor, it's user-friendly, everyone's gonna like it. Yes, some of the pro level riders, if you wanna be getting yourself some hole shots out there against some of the fastest 450s in the country, you might need to up that horsepower a little bit by doing a couple of things. Very well balanced front to rear. The front holds up nicely coming into corners and under brakes. Also when charging exceptionally hard into the face of takeoff ramps, it doesn't G out and get to that lower part of the stroke. It holds up nicely, but it also tends to be nice and plush in that initial part of the stroke through the braking bump. So a good combination, and they've definitely got their valving sorted in the front end. The rear end works hand in hand with the chassis to provide a nice plush ride out there. It's nice and easy on your hands. It doesn't take too much energy out of you. It just does everything well. Now, when it comes to what changes would I make to this bike, there's a couple of things, nothing too major. One of the things I do need to mention is brand new for 2021. It's a set of handlebars that have a rise on them suited to people that are about 6.5 foot tall. It doesn't cost you too much to go get yourself a custom set of bars out there that's going to suit you for your riding style and to your size and your height. While you're at it, get yourself a set of grips, just like nearly all the manufacturers out there decide to put a rock hard set of grips on. Kawasaki are no different. Other than that, this thing's great. Comes straight out of the crate and looks fantastic. It's got some black triple clamps. We've got some black rims that pretty much come standard on all bikes these days. Well, that just about does it. There's not much more we can say about this bike other than, wow, it does everything exceptionally well. In all the shootouts, it's going to be right there in the mix. As to whether it gets wins and dominates all around the world, I'm not sure about that, but what I can promise you, it's going to be right there in the mix. I don't think you're going to find any of the media outlets around the world giving it a flogging for doing anything in particular bad. And from a punter's point of view, you're going and forking out your hard-earned cash to go and buy a bike, you want something that's going to be pretty much good to go straight away. And this machine certainly does that. So all the best. I hope you've enjoyed what we've brought to you on the Kawasaki KX450 for 2021.